Tonight I stand on sacred ground, on the eve her light first touched this world. A New Mexico sky remembers her name, from desert winds to endless plains. A fireborn soul with auburn flame, they called her Redbird, she earned that name. A spirit so free, like a prairie colt, running barefoot through a life of hope. Daughter of strength, chick and Lula May, roots of love that would never fade. Through every road her father built, she carried a heart the world could feel. She spoke to God like a truth she knew, said, when I go, don't cry for me, I'll be with my daddy. Just wait and see. Redbird, fly on the wind tonight, angel of life. In heaven's light, you left your soul in every heart. Never gone, just worlds apart. Redbird, I still feel you near, in every breeze, in every tear. You taught me love, you showed me how, and I still live that promise now. She gave her life to those in need, a quiet strength in every deed. From courtroom halls to a friend in pain, she gave her heart again and again. Chicken and noodles, flowers in hand, healing the hurt no one else can. A laugh that filled up every room, a light that chased away the gloom. She honored life, both near and gone, never forgot where love lives on. Memorial days, flowers placed, a sacred vow she taught with grace. And I still walk that path today, through every promise I still keep, to live, to love, to give this world the very best of me. Redbird, fly on the wind tonight, angel of life. In heaven's light, you left your soul in all of us, in every memory, in every touch. Redbird, I hear your voice in every moment, in every choice. You showed me life is a sacred flame. Your love in me will always remain. 30 years side by side, through every storm, through every tide. You gave me truth, you gave me sight, you showed me how to live this life. And when the silence feels too deep, I feel your wings surrounding me. Not gone, just lifted high. My redbird in the sky. Redbird, angel of life, shining beyond the veil of time. You are the light that guides my way, in every dawn, in every day. Redbird, I let you fly. So tonight I honor you, not in sorrow but in truth, that love like yours will never end. My red bird, my best friend, fly on free, dear heart. Be at peace now, you did well, and love is your legacy.